everyone, my name's Karla Brading and pleased to meet you, virtually meet you right now. I am the author of The Inn of Waking Shadows and The Valley of Whispers. And I am absolutely ecstatic to be able to be bringing these novels to you in Malta and Gozo on a little mini tour. They're quite spooky and enriched with a lot of history from my land, so I'm bringing my land's history to yours and I cannot wait. So Thursday 4th of April I'm going to be at Bargate Bookshop in Gozo, and Saturday the 6th of April I'm going to be hitting the Agenda bookshops and Republic Street and The Point. So really hope to see you there. Keep an eye out for me. Probably be wearing something glamorous. All depends on your beautiful weather. I've heard great things and I am so, like I said, I am so excited to meet you guys. Come and get a copy. Promise you won't be disappointed. And see you very, very soon. Bye guys.